Hello everyone. Namaste. Hope you are all doing good. Lately, all I see is like people talking about AI agents on Twitter, on LinkedIn, in like tech communities, YouTube. It's everywhere, right? Almost everyone is hyped about AI agents being the next big thing, and everyone in the YouTube community, like they are teaching how to create AI agents. But what I've noticed is like there is not much of a content describing what AI agents are in a simple way. So let's take a step back and let's go basic and let's talk about what exactly is an AI agent and like why is it suddenly such a big deal right now? Let's break it down. So think of an AI agent like a smart digital worker. So it's like a program that can think, that can make a decision, and then that can take action on its own without needing someone to tell it what to do every single time. So basically, it's independent, right? So for example, a chatbot that books a train ticket for you, so that is an AI agent. So all you have to do is like you have to tell the chatbot where you want to go, and then it figures out what is the best price for you, and it figures out the best train for you, and then it completes the booking for you all by itself. You don't have to do anything. That's pretty cool, right? But here's something surprising. I used to think these AI agents are like some sort of brand new invention, but I was kind of surprised to know they have actually been around for decades. Like, take an example of a spam filter, like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo. They have been using these AI agents since like early 2000s to detect and block the spam. Another example would be like bank fraud detection. So basically these AI agents used to like go through the transactions, and then they used to like figure out whether that transaction is a fraud or not, right? The other example would be our self-driving car like Tesla. So those are also like AI agents, but you know they can only handle one task at a time, and then these old AI agents, they didn't really improve themselves over time, right? So if AI agents have been around for such a long time, then why is everyone talking about it right now? The reason these AI agents are exploding right now, it all comes down to like three big breakthroughs. One is large language models. Like before, AI used to do one specific thing, like it used to recommend a movie, but now with the models like GPT, like Claude, Gemini, or Llama, these AI can think, it can plan, and then it can communicate like a human. For example, instead of just suggesting a movie, these AI agents can explain why it thinks you would like the movie. The other reason is agentic workflows. So agentic workflow means AI agent, it doesn't stop at one task, but what it does is like it keeps on going, it improves, and then it adjusts until the job is fully done. One example is, let's say if you ask an AI to write an essay, right? So the old AI, what it used to do is like it used to write the essay for you once, and then done. It is to stop. But this agentic AI, what it does is like it writes the essay for you. It it goes through the essay, it reads the essay, it finds the mistake in the essay, and then it improves the weak point, and then it even asks for feedback to refine the final version, right? So basically, it's like having an assistant that keeps on fixing and improving things instead of just stopping after the first attempts. That's pretty interesting. The third is automation. If you think about these old AI, they used to suggest things, but there used to be some sort of like human interventions, right? What I mean is like humans had to execute the action that was suggested by the AI. But now these new AI agents, they can do tasks on their own. Like they can send emails, they can book a meeting, they can write, and they can run the code without any human interventions. For example, let's say an AI agent, it can manage your personal finance by tracking the expenses. It can pay the bills, and it can even suggest like investment strategies by looking into your history. So this is why like these AI agents feel so different nowadays. Instead of like just being the assistant, they are becoming more like the independent workers who can actually do their own stuff at their own time without any human interventions. Yeah, and it's kind of interesting, right? And I think because of these capabilities, like almost everyone is talking about them. That's why like almost every developers are learning how to build them. That's why like these businesses, these big tech companies are investing such a huge amount of dollars into them, and that's why I think they are the next big wave in AI. So yeah, if you found this video useful, drop a like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video.